I'm Ben Quarter-Pound Shantopoulos Rando Colorado Rism Rip'em, and I'm going to show you how to survive in the most dangerous of scenarios, facing starvation and hunger and nearly death.
That I made, I found a bucket and some saran wrap. I put the saran wrap around the bucket and made a hole. Fish swim in the hole and they eat whatever kind of grubs you find, and then they can't get out. You pull them to shore and we'll cook it up for a nice meal. This water looks about approximately 1,000 years old. That is a really good year for water.
It's now day 2, and I have not had a scrap to eat in over 24 hours.
I had these worms from my bucket trap, but I'm getting really hungry, so I might just eat them. They look more delicious by the hour. Ah, dang it. So, if you buy fresh water and you don't want to drink it, for whatever reason, you can dig a hole, and this has a lot more nutrients in it, or at least a different texture. And I might use this to go to the bathroom later. I got a cut on my finger, and I haven't eaten in days. If I don't find civilization in hours, I will most certainly die. If I get my shirt wet like this, I can squeeze it for water. Or, when I wring it out tonight to keep me warm, it'll smell like fresh spring water and not that nasty BO. Oh, that's cold. Oh. Do you hear that? That's a human lawnmower, which is my best chance of maybe them giving me some food.